Thanks, Moby. Hey, Tim and Moby. Can you tell me about Isaac Newton's 3 laws? From Jerome. Well, Isaac Newton was a scientist who lived in the 17th century. We have a whole movie about him, so you should check it out. Anyway, Newton came up with the 3 laws of motion that can be used to explain how and why stuff moves. Well, yeah, these laws are still in use today, so I'd say he was pretty smart. Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless an unbalanced force acts on it. You probably don't think about it this way, but when a car is moving, everything in it and on it is moving along at the same speed. If the car has to stop suddenly, the objects in and on the car will continue moving forward. Guess we should have tied those on tighter. An object's forward motion will continue until an unbalanced force acts in the opposite direction to stop it. So, our seatbelts provided the unbalanced force that stopped our bodies from moving forward. But those ropes didn't provide enough force to balance out the ski's forward motion. Why didn't it keep going? Well, in this case, the force acting on the rock was friction. Friction is the resistance caused by any 2 objects in contact, and it always acts in the opposite direction of the motion. Newton's second law says an object that has an unbalanced force acting on it will accelerate in the direction of that force. When you're just sitting there, 2 forces are acting on you all the time. Right now, gravity is pulling our mass toward the center of the Earth, and the upward normal force of the ground is pushing up against gravity. We could sit here all day and go nowhere because these 2 forces cancel out. This hill is a different story. At this angle, gravity and the normal force are not canceling each other out. Gravity wins, and we accelerate. The net force that's acting on us and making us accelerate is a combination of the normal force and gravity. Look, friction. Newton's third law is this: forces always occur in equal and opposite pairs. When I pushed that door, it pushed right back at me with equal force. The door was the one that moved because friction between my feet and the floor combined my mass with the building's mass. The door is on hinges, which decrease friction, so it accelerates open. Maybe if you took off your roller skates. Or not. Oops. Well, that's about it for Isaac Newton's laws of motion. I'm gonna get Moby an ice pack.